everyone, my name is Adriana. I study Engineer of Systems and I am from Colombia. I would like to be part of Next Gen ICANN program because it's a great opportunity to learn more about the work of ICANN, meet and share with people with the same interest, development of future of internet. I am volunteer in Internet Ambassador. We are a group of young working in different commissions to contribute to the development of internet through digital literacy in our communities. I see in ICANN Next Gen a space to learn more of the structure of internet, technical, and share, and grow, and learn and learn. Thank you very much for the opportunity to participate. Greeting for Colombia. Bye bye.